Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaitanir-rajim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Record Art signing in. So viewers, in this video, these are super amazing and most beautiful and top unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. These are very pretty collection for you guys. These are top trending stone pebble painting ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these pebble stone painting ideas. So keep supporting my channel guys. These are very classy pebble painting ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these stone rock painting ideas. These are stunning ideas for you guys, and if you want different other kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And if you want different other kind of videos, you should leave the comment in the comment section. And these are top trending pebble painting ideas, so you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make and how to paint these type of stone pebbles at home, and then you decorate your homes with these pebble paintings. So guys, you must try these pebble paintings at home, and you must tell me which kind of video you liked, and you also tell me about how much you like this video. Then I will upload more videos about this on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, hope so you like this video, and you must try these stone paintings at home. So guys, I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel. I'm glad to see you all, and you must watch these type of craft videos on my channel. You must enjoy these type of videos, because I also enjoy these type of videos on my channel. That's why I share with you all. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. And you guys always take care of yourself and keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. So guys, hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and also like my channel, and share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.